Hey loves, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious Edo black soup. This soup is so healthy and very medicinal. If you want to see how I prepare this delicious black soup, kindly keep watching, guys. And guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, let's get started. So into a clean pot, I went in with some palm nut extract. I already extracted the juice from the palm nuts, and if you want to see how to extract your juice from the palm nuts, I already have the video on my channel how to extract your palm nuts, okay? I will be putting the link under this video so you can as well check it out. So after adding the palm nut extra into my pot, so I allowed the palm nut extra to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I went in with the blended leaves. In here I have ugu leaf, Uziza leaf, scent leaf, and bitter leaf, and I also added habanero pepper. I blended everything together. So we are going to allow this to cook for some minutes. So after some minutes, we are going to check on our soup. Then I went in with Banga spices and some seasoning. Then I'm going to go in with some Lucost beans. So after adding this, I'm going to add in some salt. So after adding some salt, we are just going to stir this together, okay? So guys, if you're watching to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and drop me a comment, okay? And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, I went in with some dry catfish. Then I added my boiled beef. Then I'm going to add in some fresh mackerel fish. Then after adding the fish, I'm just going to stir, then cover it and let it cook. And guys, look at that. At this point, delicious black soup is almost ready. So I'm going to stir. Guys, this soup is one of my best. I love it. And this soup is so healthy and very medicinal. And trust me guys, you are going to love this recipe if you give it a try. It is so delicious. So guys, I added some crayfish powder. Then I'm going to stir this and allow it to cook very well. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this black soup is looking. And trust me guys, this was so yummy. At this point, our black soup is almost ready. So I'm just going to stir. At this point, the soup is 90% ready. So what I did is to test if there is enough spices and salt. So the soup was perfect. Then I stir again, then I'm just going to cover this to cook for few minutes. And guys, look at that. Our yummy black soup is ready. Guys, what will you be eating this with? Is it pounded yam, starch, banku wheat, or what? Please let me know in the comment section what you will be pairing this with. And guys, I enjoyed mine with a very hot pounded yam, and it was so yummy. So guys, if you're watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.